Stop scrolling for just a moment. This message isn't by accident. Jesus has been waiting to talk to you today. Yes, you. Right here, right now. He's been near you all along, even when you felt alone. He sees your heart. He knows the questions. Sometimes life gets loud. Our minds are crowded with worries, pressure, and pain. But Jesus doesn't compete with the noise. He whispers in the stillness. You might not have heard him yet, but he's been whispering, "You're not forgotten." When you feel tired, not just in your body, but in your soul, Jesus is whispering, "Come to me, I will give you rest." You don't have to carry the weight alone. You've been so strong for so long. But now, he invites you to lay it. Jesus never promised a life without storms, but he did promise that you'd never face them alone. The rain may come, the winds may rise, but look, he's here, even now. When fear creeps in and you feel exposed and overwhelmed, he opens. In your brokenness, he doesn't turn away. He leans in closer. He speaks healing over every wound, every scar you tried to hide. And in your fear, he brings peace, not the kind that comes and goes, but a lasting calm that wraps around your heart like warm light. When Jesus touches your heart, something changes. Not always the situation, but the soul. Let him in. Let him speak to the deepest parts of you. You don't have to fix it all. Just let him be with you. He walks with you, not ahead to pressure you, not behind to catch up, but right beside you. Every valley, every dark road, every quiet night. You never walk alone. Even when you didn't know it, he was holding your hand. Every step, maybe you've made mistakes. Maybe you've wandered far. But no mistake is too big for his mercy. And no distance is too far for his grace to reach you. Jesus sees your past, and he still calls you by your name, not by your failures. Before the world began, he chose you. Before your first breath, he had a purpose for your life. You are not random. You are not an accident. You are his. Every star in the sky he hung with care, but none shine brighter to him than you. So, whatever you're facing today, pause, breathe, let Jesus in. You don't have to fix everything or understand everything. Just sit by the river of his peace. Let him sit with you, not to lecture, but to love. He's smiling at you, not... If this message touched your heart, don't keep it to yourself. Someone you love might need to hear it too. So please like, share, and subscribe to God Message Per Day. Let Jesus use your click to reach another soul. Because love multiplies.